Looking for crazy ideas to make money on Facebook? We got you. Hey fam! Are you ready for some crazy ideas on how to make money with Facebook in 2023? Buckle up, because here we go.
First up, how about creating a virtual yard sale group on Facebook? You can gather all your friends and family members and encourage them to sell their unwanted items online. Charge a small commission fee for each sale and voila! You're making money while helping people declutter their homes. But wait, there's more. How about creating a Facebook group for local tourists? You can post recommendations for hidden gems in your city and charge local businesses for sponsored content. Or you can organize tours and events and take a cut of the profits. Another idea is to create a Facebook page for a niche interest like succulent gardening or DIY home decor. Build up a following and then start promoting relevant products and services, such as succulent seeds or crafting supplies. You can earn commissions on each sale and even collaborate with businesses to get sponsored content. Last but not least, why not create a Facebook group for digital nomads? You can share tips and advice on how to work remotely and even offer coaching services for a fee. You can also partner with companies that provide products and services for remote workers, such as coworking spaces or travel insurance. So there you have it, folks. Some crazy ideas might just work. Remember, with a little creativity and effort, you can make money on Facebook in 2023 and beyond. To get a free course on how to make money with Facebook, go to www.agency.mcsolutions.uk. Once again, the site to get the free course is www.agency.mcsolutions.uk.